So this is the CR. Let's open the lights. Yes. So little tissue. They have this little thing. They fold it here to easily grab the toilet paper. Then free towels, body soap and shampoo, sink, mirror, and this one, the off-road. Look, it's so tiny. I don't know if I can fit in. So, mirror. And this is the bed. Yes. The switch for the lights. And switch for the CR. Then you can adjust the light in your room to make it using this one to make it dim or to make it brighter. So we have a mini ref with no, and the telephone, the laptop. This one you can rent outside a sort of, it costs 1,000 yen to watch a movie. So they have adult videos if you want, I don't know. And then they also have this different kinds of movies available for your viewing pleasure. You just pay outside your room 1,000 yen. Then you're going to enter the number here, something like that. I didn't avail for that because it's expensive and I can watch movies from my laptop, so I don't need that one. This stuff contains full of erotic videos on the TV. So turn it on. Then hey, you can watch this. Wait, let's turn it. また流出した後は埼玉県警の幹部や中東問題の専日本テレビ朝日 TV TBS 40만かけてやってんだけどさ東京テレビ I'm not sure about. Maybe this oh, yes, Arashi. Yes. Haha. So happy. Wow, Arashi. Anyway, so this is the aircon, and that's my. So that's it. This is my hotel. That's all for today. Bye guys.